In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Meet app. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll guide you through it on a Windows 11 PC. First, make sure you're connected to the internet, and then open your preferred web browser. This can be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or any modern browser you like. On Windows 11, you can launch it from the taskbar if it's pinned, or open the Start menu and select your browser from there. Give it a moment to fully load so the address bar and tabs are ready. Next, we're going to search for Google Meet. Click inside the address bar at the top of your browser and type Google Meet, then press Enter. Your browser will show you search results. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the official option. You should see results from Google's own domain, like meet.google.com, or a Google page that clearly references Meet. Avoid any third-party download sites or anything that looks suspicious. A quick way to verify is to look for the small lock icon in the address bar once you click through. This indicates a secure connection. Now, go ahead and open the official Google Meet website by clicking the result that leads to Google's own page. When the site loads, you'll typically see the Google Meet branding, a clean interface, and clear options to get started. Scan the page for the download option. On Google's official pages, the download or get the app link is clearly labeled and may appear near the top or within a section dedicated to apps. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or look for a link that says something like Download Google Meet. Once you locate the download, click it. Your browser may do one of two things. It might immediately start downloading a file, or it might guide you to the appropriate, trusted source to obtain the app. If a file download begins, you'll usually see a status indicator near the top right of your browser or along the bottom edge, depending on which browser you're using. If you're prompted to confirm the download, choose Save to proceed. Always make sure the file name and source look legitimate and that you're still on a trusted Google page before approving any download. That's all you need to do to download Google Meet. You've opened your browser, searched safely, navigated to the official site, and clicked Download. Take a moment to let the download complete, and you're all set on the download part. Thanks for watching, and great job following along.